we'll talk about the incident that occurred in Seaside, Florida yesterday.
There was a change in water level that caused a high tide. This was caused by the moon, sun, and earth working together in a straight line.
Because it's a daily change in water level, there should soon be a low tide due to the sun, moon, and earth working against each other.
Now remember, there are many misconceptions about tides, such as
What causes tides?
When it rains a lot, there's more water, so it causes high tide.
For our second segment of the show, we will inform you about gravity. For those of you that don't know much about it, it is the pull between two masses.
You may think Earth has the largest mass, but that's where you're wrong. The sun has the most mass, but not just because it's biggest in size. Next is the Earth, then last is the moon. And do you know the two factors it affects? Let's ask someone and see what they
you
think.
know the two factors that affect gravity?
I'm thinking mass and something else. What is?
That part of it, right?
Oh, what's the other one?
Distance.
Distance.
Now for the new moon forecast. Today, December 2nd, there was a new moon, which means we couldn't see any part of the moon. It won't be 28 days until the next new moon occurs, but there's more moons than just that. They are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, and then the new moon again.
If you're wondering what waxing and waning means, here's a little help. After a new moon, you have a waxing crescent, which means the moon is expanding into a full moon. When there's a full moon, you can see all of it. After the full moon is a waning gibbous, which means the part of the moon you can see is getting smaller or decreasing back into a new moon.
Now let's see what Miss Alvarez thinks about what causes the part of the moon we can see.
What causes the moon to change into the 8 moon phases we see?
How it is rotating around the earth and blocking from the sun.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
And now for the last section of our show. It's beginning to look like the winter season, but it's not here yet. It is still fall, but you may wonder how we have seasons. What causes seasons?
I would think the revolution. I don't know, so we can have winter, spring, and summer and fall, I guess. So we can have Christmas.
Well, we actually have seasons because the Earth revolves around the sun tilted on its axis.
Oh, and how do we have day and night? That's easy. The Earth rotates on its axis, so when one part of our Earth is facing towards the sun, it's day, so the other half must be experiencing night.
That's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning into Channel 2, the Science Channel.
See you.